Don't you touch that drag, Dave Flood.
I'm not.
Holy shit. This is the third run. This is the biggest run yet. On the 30 gold. Thank God it's 40 liter. The old school 30 straight single speed Sabre 5130 factory rod. The rod that started the stand-up tuna craze. Holy shit, Dave. Well, we are on the drift. Let me see the spool.
It's going down.
Yeah, it is. All right. We'll start backing down on them. Or you can start heading for the front. Start headed for the front, please.
Straight out the back.
Dave, head for the front. There we go. Holy shit, did that fish take a run? This is gonna be a big boy.
You got the cushies?
Yeah, I was just getting that for you. Instead of the belt. Always apologize for the shaky cam because we're multitasking. Ugh. Ready, Dave?
Yeah.
Get the cushion on there. All right, I'm gonna go have a sandwich. You call me when you need me. Woo! Day chunking yellowfin. Thank you, Greg, on the Victoria Marie, who gave us the spot. You doing all right?
Can't even get it up.
That's good. That's it. Try short stroking them. I'm going to clear this corner out for you.
I still back there?
Yeah.